There is a red signal in market for all micro caps, mini caps and SME exchange IPOs. I think their prices are way ahead of fundamentals. Some of the mid caps and small caps also are looking little bit expensive. So please think of buying quality, long term and reasonable valuation.
Okay, I think that's really sane advice. And you're hearing it from the man himself. I mean, he has been in this industry for so long. So please listen when experts are giving you that piece of advice. On consumer, I just have a follow-up question. This whole trend that arose after COVID, that there's a lot of consumption and expenditure on the premium end. But we see FMCG companies, a sabun, tel, shampoo wala company, they're still doing 4-5% growth. They're struggling with those kind of volumes. So within consumer, are you looking at playing this? Play the urban consumer, the rich consumer, and don't look at sabun, tel, shampoo? Or could that also change? I mean, in the medium term.
There is a K-shaped recovery post-COVID. The upper middle class and rich are enjoying growth far more than the lower middle class and poor people. And within that, there is premiumization happening. My favorite example is that 1% of Indians enjoy lifestyle of French citizen. About 25% enjoy Indonesian lifestyle. And rest are enjoying sub-Saharan Africa lifestyle. We have to keep on migrating people from Africa to Indonesia and Indonesia to
Paris.
Now, journey of African lifestyle to Indonesian lifestyle is going to be far more than people moving from Indonesia to French.
Okay.
And hence, mid-market premiumization is the theme to play on. Pehle roti kapda makan was the basic necessity.
Correct.
And
now everybody has
where
that.
all those things work.
Yeah.
Now, if you are getting incremental money, where will you spend? You will spend on entertainment, you will spend on travel and tourism, you will spend on healthcare, you will spend on education. So where incremental money is going to be spent in this sectors, this is where you will find opportunities.
Okay, got that. I now want to talk about what you see as the biggest red flash or the biggest risk. You mentioned micro caps and small caps. You want to elaborate on that, and beyond that, what could be the biggest risk that people need to keep in mind?
So I think there's a lot of complacency in micro cap, mini caps and SME exchange, where thanks to limited floating stock, prices have run up ahead of their fundamentals. And many people believe whatever is moving higher will continue to move higher. That complacency is not good. I think we have Triveni Sangam of flows and sentiments and fundamentals, but there are certain zones in micro caps and mini caps where prices are ahead of fundamentals. This is where one needs to exercise caution. There are events like higher oil prices, like monsoon, like election, which could have an impact on the market. Be ready for correction. Don't assume that markets will continue to rise in a straight line.